Good morning student. Today we are going to teach potentiometer. Definition: potentiometer is an instrument used to measure the exact potential difference between 2 points of an electric circuit or to measure the EMF of the cell. Potentiometer is an instrument used to measure the exact potential difference between 2 points of an electric circuit or to measure the EMF of the cell. Principle of potentiometer. Let us consider AB is a potentiometer wire of length small l, C is storage cell, K is key, RH is rehosted, J is jockey. This is a primary circuit, this is a secondary circuit. E is the experimental cell, G is galvanometer. AB is the potentiometer wire of length L, C is storage cell, K is key, RH is rehosted, J is jockey. E is the experimental cell, J is the galvanometer. This is the primary circuit, this is the secondary circuit. Let AB be the wire of potentiometer of length L, storage cell C, K key and a rehosted RH are connected in series with the resistance wire. When the K is pressed, the electric current starts flowing through the circuit and a potential difference is established between point A and B. Let it is B. Then potential gradient K equal to V upon L. Now positive terminal. Now point A is connected to the experimental positive terminal of experimental E and negative terminal connected to the galvanometer. Now positive terminal of the experimental cell is connected to the point A. Positive terminal is connected to the point A and negative terminal to the connected galvanometer G. Now the positive terminal of the experimental cell is connected to point A and negative terminal galvanometer is connected to the jockey J. In the balanced position, EMF of the cell equal to potential difference between A and J. Potential difference between A and J is small l. If the length of AJ equal to L, then EMF of the cell equal to E equal to KL, where K is potential gradient. Definition of potential. This is the principle of potentiometer. Potential gradient. The potential drop on unit length of potentiometer wire is called potential gradient. It is denoted by K equal to V upon L. SI unit volt per meter या centimeter. TF potential gradient. Dimensional formula V is mL square T minus 3A inverse. Dimensional formula of L simplify mL T minus 3A inverse. Potential gradient is a vector quantity. Uses of potentiometer: to compare the EMF of two cells, to determine the internal resistance of primary cell, to compare two resistance, to determine the thermo EMF. Thank you.